Oh, it's okay. You're done well. Have a look. Have a look at the Paris. Get the same one. See? Have a look. See at the Paris. Get the same one. Oh, it's okay. Malaki. So this is, as you can see, guys, it's Christian Louboutin in size 36. So we'll see if it's size 36. It looks bigger. Good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Sunday, everyone. It's nearly 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And okay. Are you telling Tita and Tito what you're doing? Aalis kami. Pupunta kami ng shops. So, shopping center. Alam niyo, okay, I'll let you talk. Alam niyo ba na since na dumating kami dito sa Brisbane, ay hindi talaga ako nakakapunta sa mga shopping center. Unlike nung nandun kami sa Melbourne na halos every weekend or every other day after work, pupunta talaga kami ng shopping center. But here, life is so different. Ang dami rin kasi nangyari, guys, kaya there's no time. Anyways, pupunta kami ng shopping center in Carindale. Tell them what we're doing now. Pupunta kami sa Carindale to get Celine's ear pierced. So, Celine will turn 1-year-old next week. And ngayon ko lang napag-isipan na palagyan siya ng hikaw. So, when Paris was 7 months old, around 6 or 7 months old doon, pinalagyan ko siya ng hikaw. But it's a bit late for Celine kasi alam niyo naman kung nakasubaybay kayo sa channel natin, ang daming nangyari, so we never really had a chance to do it. And then now, since mag-1-year-old na siya, para pagkamala na talaga siyang babae, kasi kahit na nakabo, tinatanong pa rin nila, boy or girl? Are you a girl or a boy? Okay, Mama. 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 Started the car already, kaya lang medyo mainit pa siya, kaya we'll wait until it cools down a little bit. Pero pumasok mo si daddy mo na, si daddy Paris na. Okay, we'll see you there. We'll see you there, Tita. Bye-bye.
A few moments later.
Just gonna grab water. Hindi kami nagdala ng tubig man. Okay. Nak, push nak. 3, 4. 3, 4. Allah. Mahal ang tubig, ha? $4.20. Grab it, anak. No. Na, okay na. Sige, open. Pull na, pull. Good job. Well done. Come on. Where's Daddy? Come here, babe. Mama will open it. Kakarating lang namin dito sa shops. Nandun si Daddy. Come here. Ayan. I'll just open this. Kasi sa Ate Paris natin ay inuubo. Gusto niya ng tubig. Ate, oh! Ang ating isang baby ay nakatulog yan sa sasakyan. Ginising. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Daddy.
Finish? Put it under the fan. Daddy, show us the outfit quickly. I like that.
Mine.
Yeah, and then show mine.
I'm wearing all black shorts, Dermot 24/7 shirt, gold chain,
Don't come too close. I can't see you.
gold chain, Rolex.
Sana all. Sana all.
Big money.
Ate Paris, come na. Ate, huy, that's dirty, anak. Dirty. Come, show me your outfit, be. Show me your outfit. I'm wearing pink dress. Shiny shoes. Shiny shoes. And this one is, what are you wearing, sweetie girl? Yes. Ano lang siya, naka-dress. Tapos, nilagyan niya sa lalim. Taras! SK Skin Candy. Yes, na? Come here. So, 1 o'clock yung aming appointment. Daddy Mike will have some of them. Daddy Mike will do his nose. Thank you so much. Ling! Walang kaalam-alam kung anong mangyayari, oh. Daddy Mike can't do his, guys. Hindi niya dinala ang kanyang ID. Yes, hello? Are you getting your earpiece? Pinatakot ng kanyang tatay, guys. Sabi, ikaw rin. But this is Ate Paris's. See, but she had this one. 7 months old ka pa nun na. Hindi mo na maalala na. See, there's lots of options. I'm gonna get this one. I think, yeah, diretso kay Celine. Ganyan, maliit. Are you excited na? For sure you're not. I am. Daming options, guys. Yan, para sa ano, guys, oh, nipple, sa tongue. Anak. You're not gonna have that nap. Trust me. Kawawa naman natin na rin, man. Excited pa naman yan siya. Papagawa sana niya yung ano, dito sa kanyang ilong ba. Ay, ID, hindi na lang ang kanyang wallet. Anam, yum, 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 yum. How do you feel? Are you excited to get your earpiece? What do you say?
Yeah.
Are we doing double for today? 2 once? Did you wash your hand?
No. The big one is $3.95 altogether. We'll pay afterwards. Alright, I'll go set up that right now. Thank you.
How much is it?
102.
There you go. So, ito yung pinili ko, guys. Itong maliit. Kaya nga lang, wala daw silang stock. So, ito. Alang yung next size. 4mm. 1mm lang naman yung diferensya. So, it's $102. 102. Bakit may 2 pa talaga, nak? Bakit hindi nila ginawang 100? You okay?
A few moments later.
Hello! Have a look! Oh, it's okay, you're done well. Have a look. Have a look at the Paris. Get the same one. See? Have a look. See at the Paris. Get the same one. Oh, it's okay. Hey, don't touch it now. Don't touch it now. Oh, see? Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we will. Thank you. Okay. See? See? Here's mommy's outfit today, guys. Payak-iyak naman ang ating baby. Oh, Trisha, have a look. Have a look at the Paris.
Is she okay?
Yes.
Was she brave?
I'm a very brave girl.
Was she brave?
I'm a very... So that's where... Indicate. And for that new...
Can I have that?
Ay, muna tayo din yun.
No.
Ah. They're actually doing Daddy's way. May pictures Daddy Mike ng kanyang passport. And they accepted it.
You should.
Yeah, she's like, hello. Done so well. Hey.
Tira Baba. Okay.
Looks like that. Oh God.
We have water.
Oh yeah, where's the water now? Under the pram. Bigyan ng snacks para hindi iyak. Ay, shush! Ito na ito. That side. Where's the water na? Where's the water? Piercing aftercare. How much is this one, Daddy?
$2 because I got $15 off.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Why?
It's my nose.
Yes, Daddy.
Brutal.
Yummy!
Celine, you okay? Or a little bit upset?
A little bit upset. She's fine. She done the worst part. Then Celine, girl. Ito siya. Before you spray a short stream of blah 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 in the air.
That's my nose.
We'll
Look.
do it later. Oh! Oh!
My nose look.
Huh? Looks like a nose, Daddy.
She did a good job.
Yeah.
Right position. Right jewelry.
Yeah, that's what I like. Darius, do you want your earpiece? No?
Okay, your nose one. Your nose.
Why not?
Oh, she's crying. Come here, Baba. Yeah. Joking.
That is teasing eh.
Come down, come on. Say no, no.
Yum, yum, yum.
Alright,
Okay.
let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. Where is it?
Paris knows. Where is it, Paris? Can you remember? Promise ng kanyang tatay na bibilhan ng clock. Build a bear.
Oh, my apple.
Who's that?
Hello, Baba. I like this one.
You want a panda?
Dito kami guys. Build a bear. Dito kami last time.
Oh, you want Paris?
And they put stuff inside it, Bob. There. Da, da, da. Yeah. Look, is there, I think, I don't know. Hala, Paris na kun.
You want a sound or a heartbeat?
Here's your dinosaur.
Daan dyan.
Oh, yours.
Ate, choose na which one. Gusto din niya ng dress. Alam niyo ba guys, meron pa tong birth certificate. Kasi nga diba builded. What's wrong, my love? You scared? Nah, maybe this one. This one is so cute. What do you reckon?
No, we can only give her one.
Yeah, that's a set.
Okay, okay.
Okay, yeah, show the daddy ka. So, daddy, how about this?
Daddy, I want this. I want this.
Tapos may birth certificate pa yan. Yeah.
She's got birth certificate.
What's the name?
Bubble gum.
Really? Who told you that?
I don't know what was the name. And I think and it was and I said this was the
Bubblegum.
They asked Daddy.
Dito kami sa food court. Alam nyo? You can't have this one up. See? Pork crackles. Grabe. Mahurot po ka ni? go. Nak, pick up the thing, Nak.
Yeah, okay. Hey, be good now first.
Daddy Mark, got the sushi. Tyrus, what did you name your bear?
Bubblegum.
Bubblegum. Meron to siyang birth certificate. Pinangalanan niyang bubblegum. Uy! Oops! Oopsie! Nak, just drop it, Nak. It's a big one.
Mine.
Yes. How many fish, Nak? There's only one. Ay, there's.
You could drop coins in there. When you got coins, you could throw it in. Like you got coins.
I'll have a look.
Cause I wanna throw one inside any coin.
Yeah. Put one. It's 20 cents. Here, ilabay atong one na coins. Oh, careful. Not that one. Not the gold one. Here. Here's the one. 10 cents. Make a wish.
Now I have to put mine.
Good girl. Ang ating baby girl ay Sleeping Beauty. Ang tatay niya nandoon nagpa-haircut. Iniwan namin.
Mommy, can I go this way?
Oh, gosh. Henta. Henta. Sweetie girl.
Okay. Right.
Push.
Overhead.
Is it finished now? That was quick. That's a quick $3, my love.
Can we go?
Ikaw, go have a look in Louisa na. Come on, this way, ate. Go have a look there.
Which one do you want?
I asked my sister. She's like,
It's
actually pretty decent. Yeah.
A few moments later.
We're home, people. Show Tita and Tito be your... Ala, don't step on it. No. Come here. So, tell Tita and Tito the name of your teddy bear.
It's bubblegum.
So, pinangalanan nila. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung birth certificate. Show
La
na!
la 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 la. I like the building. Star. I love you so much.
Nak, ito birth certificate na.
Huh?
What? So, it comes in this box.
Never good this
Meron
children.
ganito. Box, this one, see? Buildabed.com.au. At ito ang kanyang
Ma, what
birth
did you get
certificate. See, the date today.
And some money.
And Paris name it Bubblegum. What made you name it Bubblegum? Nak?
Cause I
Hey,
want.
don't bite the money. Nak, it's 30.
I was thinking of I wanted.
What made you name your teddy bear Bubblegum?
Cause Daddy chose that for me.
The name?
Yeah. Cause I said, it's a bubblegum. Whispering to him, and he said,
So it belongs to
okay,
Paris.
bubblegum.
Bubblegum.
So
And
that's
this
what-
is the damit ng kanyang
Can I
bear.
put it on her? Can you put it
How much
on
was this one? I think this was $25, guys, for this.
Mike, can you put it on her?
Let's see. It should fit kasi yung maano doon, guys, is fits all. One size fits all. Oh, have a look na. So cute.
That's a fit.
So cute.
Mike, still not right.
Huh?
Love you.
I love you too. So cute. Go have a look na. This is super cute.
Dad.
Huwag na nakatingin doon, guys, kasi ang ating baby Celine ay nandoon sa kwarto.
But Mommy
And also-
was telling you how.
Ting ting ting! Surprise, surprise! Daddy bought another pair of sneakers from Nike.
Papa, what did you say?
Aking buhok eh.
What did you say?
What did I say? What did I say? Lily girl!
Daddy, how many dollar is this? The dress.
I tried to
Huh?
How much was the bag?
22?
For all of it,
Yeah.
62.
Oh, $62. Just for this one. The clothes 22, yeah?
Maybe the
But let's
160.
You going to sleep?
100.
Sleep with bubble gum?
It's expensive.
Wala akong binili doon, guys. But, kasi, alam niyo, mami nyo, ay online na kasi ngayon, guys. Kaya hindi ako pupunta ng shop kasi wala din naman akong binibili. Lahat ng mga likes ko ay online na ba. So, talking about, online. Pagdating namin kanina ay, andoon ito sa labas ng aming garahe. So, this is what mommy bought online. And this is from Japan. Open, we'll see. I'll show you what I got. Oh, da 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 da. I've got this Louis Vuitton bifold wallet. A card holder. However you want to use it. Ayan. And, magkaparehas ba ito? Oh, this one is bigger. It's more in card. So, ito sila guys. Mga pre-love to siya. Aking binili. Ayan. Then, anong meron pa dito? Celine! I'm super excited for these shoes. Oh, yes. Ah! Ay. Oh. It's from Hermes. Super cute ng kanyang sisilan. Oh, cutie. It's a twilly. Made in France, dry clean only, 100% silk. Ayan. See? Hermes. Para sa handbag. Twilly, twilly, twilly. Ang ganda ng kanyang pabox. And then this last one is... Celine, okay na? Lahat talaga ay naka-bubble wrap, which is real good. Safe talaga yung items. I'll keep these bubble wraps kasi pag ako naman yung nag-post, I reuse it. Hindi masayang. The moment of truth. Mukhang malaki. So this is, as you can see guys, it's Christian Louboutin in size 36. So we'll see if it's size 36. It looks bigger. Oh my god, it's so cute. So this is wedges from Louboutin. It has weight. Medyo mabigat siya, guys. But, di ba sobrang cute niya? Meron siyang mga pa-pearls and rainbow color. We'll see if this fits me. B36 si mami niyo, guys. This one looks big. Okay lang, shoot na. Tagal na ako naghahanap dito eh. Hello! It fits me. Tagalok na!
Bye.
There. Ayan. So, it comes with dust bags. So, dalawa pala talaga. Ayan. So, and then it looks like this. Hindi masyadong makita yung kanyang beauty, guys, kasi madilim ba. During, daytime, maganda to siya tingnan. Yeah. I wish it's the, higher one. Ano lang kasi ito? Hello, my tita and my tito. Show your earring, Nabi. I shush my girly girl. I shush my girly girl. I shush. Tignan nyo. Hindi lang namin yan siya anuhin. I-touch by touch. No? Hindi pa naman niya ginaganon. Oh. So, it doesn't look like it irritates her or something. Ayan. Para mag-heal siya quickly. Yeah! Oh, she's beautiful girl. Wala among baby. Oy, big girl naman niya siya. Oy, oh. Big girl na ikaw, no? Oh, what's that? Uy, what's that? Uy. Get off. Get it off. Ay, naku. Maalam, maglilinis na kami ng bahay, guys. Magtapos ng dinner. Paris Nicole! It's bedtime now for our Ate Paris. Tignan niyo yung kanyang pinapanood. Ang video namin sa Melbourne. Do you miss Melbourne na? Do you miss Melbourne? Don't look at Daddy.
Ito na.
Do you miss Melbourne? Do you miss Jake? Yeah?
Mom, it's just Queensland through and through. Come here.
Ala, hindi ko napakita sa inyo kanina, guys.
You brush.
That's like a haircut.
There. She's watching. Do it properly. Good girl.
Ang ating baby Celine ay kanina pa nakatulog. Good job. Nai-enjoy namin manood ng videos, guys, na old videos ba? Kasi si baby Paris, sa Ate Paris, sobrang liit pa, sobrang cute.
See?
Where did the time go, Paris Nicole? And you're such a big girl now.
Keep brushing.
Daddy might put the cream already in her skin.
Go.
Rinse. You gonna sleep now?
Yeah.
Hello, Molly.
And we're watching Paris.
Paris.
And when I was in the rag in Jake's house, I cried when I was leaving.
No.
That was funny.
See you in the morning?
In the morning. I'm Tito Uncle.
Where are you sleeping?
In Daddy's room.
Oh, sure. Daddy's room.
My room.
Magkaibang room na kami ng daddy niya, guys. Kami ni Celine doon kabila. Tapos, si Ate Paris ay
My
dyan
daddy has
sa bunk
Celine.
bed.
I think that's me.
That's you, my love.
I love the bed.
I know. That's our bed in Melbourne.
My bed.
Mm-hmm.
My bed's right there. I love
Oh,
it.
the small one.
Come on, Paris Nicole.
Alright. Good night. I love you, sweetheart. Sleep well, okay? Okay, see you, everyone.
See everyone in the morning.
Sige na.
Look.
Sleep na yung bubblegum. Alam niyo ba ang ginagawa ko, guys? Kaluto ko lang ng tawag dito? Rice ko. Alright, Daddy. Ayan. So, yung charcoal chicken from, Woolworths kahapon. Tapos, konti lang yung nakain namin. So, ginawa kong paksiw. Ayan, oh. Tigyan ko ng suka. Tsaka toyo. And then, ang ating rice ay luto na. Tsaka pagkakain si mami niyo. It's 10 o'clock. Andyan na. Ito na ang aking rice. Ito ang aking chicken. Si Daddy Mike ay pinapatulog niya ang ating Ate Paris. Alam niyo pong very close yan sa Ate Paris sa kanyang daddy. So, ayun. Napatulog niya tapos lalabas pa daw yun siya. So, yun yung ganap natin today. So far, okay lang naman si Baby Celine. So, hindi naman niya parang kinakamot ganun yung kanyang tenga. So, hopefully, it will heal quickly. At bukas ko na i-sprayhan yung kanyang yung kanyang tenga ng spray na binili namin kanina from the place kung saan siya nagpa-pierced. So, ngayon ay masasabi na talaga nilang babae si Baby Celine. Kasi alam niyo ba, kahit na si Baby Celine ay naka-bow, naka-pink, ay minsan ay nag-aakala yung mga tao na lalaki pa rin siya kasi nga, di ba, wala siyang, buhok siya pero very short. It's starting to grow now, which is very nice. So, in the vlog here now, guys, but before that, I'm just going to do a quick shout out. So, alam ko sa mga videos ko, hindi na ako nakapag-shout out kasi hindi ko na na-end yung mga videos natin sometimes. But yeah, I hope that you all know na very thankful ako sa inyong lahat sa suporta na pinapakita nyo sa mga taong hindi nagsawang sumuporta sa channel natin. From the very beginning, alam na alam ko kayo. Yung mga comments nyo, alam na alam ko yung mga pangalan nyo. So, maraming salamat talaga sa inyong lahat. So, shout out to Arlene Hoover. Sobrang si Madam Arlene Hoover, sobrang tagal na natin din to siyang supporter. So, maraming salamat po. Doris Atiliano, Yuli Novero, Edna Fordrew in Arizona, USA, Jen Lee Beauchamp, Belendi Jesus, this one as well. Kasi, pag binabasa ko yung pangalan nyo, guys, parang nag-flashback noong, I don't know, last year or a year before last year na palagi na talagang nagko-comment. So, yun. Erlinda Basa, Edelina Ibarra, Mami Rose Sabalye, hello Mami Rose, Charlene Rafales, Lucy De La Cruz, Delaney Prince, Marites Guillermo, Angelina Ledesma, Claudine's Kitchen, hello, Jovi Aglugo, Susan Mayor, Mary Ann, Inday sa Balitaw, Jean Bagsik. Every time na nag-vlog, ay nag-upload ako ng vlog, guys, Jean Bagsik, siya talaga yung first na nagko-comment. So, thank you very much. Much appreciated po. Leia Refuerzo, Jovita Dakila, Jancy Pinay, Australia, hello. Kanusta man kita mag-ukay-ukay, day? Irma Santiago, Viuli S, Josefina Beltran, Gloria Cocheco, Faye Guarnes, Carla Lorraine, and Tessie Diolanto. And so that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye. Kakain na si Mami, guys. Good night.